Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, what we are going to do is to get check whether if a file or directory exists. This is really useful in some scenarios where you don't know whether the file you created was actually existed, or if I want to write into was actually existed, whether there's a file that exists on it. Because at times we try to jump and start writing, whether if you don't know whether if it exists, it can run you into some kind of problem that you might not want to encounter. So we're going to check that, and to do that, let me comment this out. This is what we did in our last video to rename a file. Let me drag this up. Okay, let me comment this guy. I'm still going to make use of this part. Okay. So the first, remember that in our previous video we changed this guy to Peter. So we're going to write Peter here, capital letter. So we're going to check if this part actually exists. And how can we do that? We can say os dot path dot exists, whether this part exists. And what can we, it takes a parameter, we can say a parameter is, which is the path. So I'm going to give it a path that if it exists. It's going to return a boolean if it's true, if it's false, if it's true, it's going to return what is going on. So let me print it out. So we're going to get true because that this guy exists. So let's run that. You can see here we got true right here because this part is, let's say in a situation where we name this easy. I don't think we should expect false. It does not, as you can see, false here because it does not exist here. But let's say in a situation I change this guy to, okay, let's say okay, sorry, let's just leave it like this. There's a reason why I don't want to do that. Okay, so you can see how you can actually check whether if a particular file exists. This is really useful. Actually, in a use case scenario, we won't be doing something like this. They just basically to know how to show you how this actually works. You'll be doing something a little bit more complex compared to this. I think by this time you'll be running. You should be inside a loop. Running around to check whether this part exists. So that's basically what us to do in this video. If you enjoyed this video, just to make sure to hit the subscribe button. You can also turn on notification bell, so anytime I drop new video, be the first to see the video and then watch it. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.